Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Microsoft VBScript runtime error. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix Windows script host error VBScript, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to download autoruns. For that, I will provide the link in my video. Link you can just copy paste from there. After copy pasting the link, this website will be opened. In this you can see here download autoruns. Just click on that. The download has been completed. Just click on this to open the folder. Right click on that. Cut the paste and paste the folder to the desktop. Right click and extract all. Click on extract all. Click on extract. Correct. For completion of this, here you will find autorun 64. If your operating system is 64-bit, you can run this one. Or if your operating system is 32-bit, you can run autoruns. Mine is 64, so I will run the 64-bit. Right click on that and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Click on I agree. Here you can see quick filter. Here you need to type VBS. Then hit enter. After finding the VBS, you just need to right click on that and click on delete. Click on yes and click OK. Like this you need to do for each and everything. Wherever you find the highlighted in red color, you just need to select and delete that one. After doing this, just close this window and close this window. After doing this, once you restart your laptop or desktop, after restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft VBScript runtime error. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.